Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm at a local pond. Decided to come to do something a little different. I rarely come to the water to photograph any seabirds or really any birds that come to ponds. But today I decided to do something different. Ducks. Hey everyone, so the day was cut short with the rain. Started absolutely lashing, so I had to come back. Don't want to damage the camera gear. So yeah, it was a great day overall. It's nice to do something different, come to a pond instead of being in the fields or in the garden photographing the birds. It's nice to do something different, so got to photograph some birds I wouldn't normally photograph. There was coots, grebes, the diving birds, and some ducks as well. So yeah, it was a good morning. Really enjoyed it until the rain came. Thanks for watching anyway, and if you wanted to see more of my images, head over to my Instagram. I'll be posting all the images on there, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.